always in a rush, never stay on the phone long enough. Why am I so self-important? Said I'd see you soon, but that was maybe a year ago. Didn't know time was of the essence. So many questions, but I'm talking to myself. I know that you can't hear me anymore, not anymore. So much to tell you, and most of all goodbye, but I know that you can't hear me anymore.
You don't understand anything!
So loud inside my head, with words that I should have said, and as I drown in my regrets, I can't take back the words I never said. Never said. I can't take back the words I never said. Always talking shit, took your advice and did the opposite. Just being young and stupid.